Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll learn how to create LED chasing effect with Arduino. So let's get started. In our previous demonstration, we have used two LEDs for alternate blinking. Now we'll modify that code for a LED chasing effect. So let's build up the circuit first. We'll take 5 LED and there will be up to down and down to up sequence lighting of this LED. So let's see how we can do the circuit build up. So we have taken 5 LEDs and we need to connect them one by one. Now connect all the cathodes and make them common with this resistance. Our circuit is complete. We can increase the resistance value to some another value like 560 ohm. Now let's come to the programming part. What change we should bring into the code that we previously built. So first of all, in the void setup section, we need to define that we have used 2 to 6 number pin, total 5 pin as output. We can do so by copying this code and pasting it for 5 times and edit that code for 4, 5 and 6. So this is how you can define all the 5 pins as output. We can make it shorter by using for loop. I will show that later. Now come to the programming part. We want to lead and light one by one. That means at the first step, this red LED should turn on. In the second step, red and blue should turn on. In the third step, these 3 lights should turn on and the sequence should go in this manner. At the final step, all the 5 LEDs should turn on. Let's do that. So at the first step, only the LED 2 that is connected to pin number 2 will turn on. After that, let me copy this block of code and I will paste it. At the second time, 3 pin number connected LED should turn on. Then the LED connected to 4 should turn on. In this manner, we can turn on all the LED by sequence with a delay of 200 milliseconds. So let's run this program and see what effects it brings. So you see, it was quick. Let me change the value of delay. Now it will pause for half second. You can see all the LED was going down to up. Now let's say you want to do the opposite in manner. That means you want to turn this off after all the 5 LEDs are turned on. It should make us effect like going up to down. For that reason, we can change the code for turning off sequence. And remember, to make any comments in your code, you can use this / and it will make a comment for your code. Comments are good for making readable codes. So you should have a practice of using comments when you are programming. Now let's say I will turn the LED connected to 6 number pin low. And the delay should be 500. Let me copy this block of code and repeat it. So after 6, the 5 should go off, then 4, then 3, then finally 2 should go off. So after coming here, it will go again at the start of the void loop, and again the turning on sequence will go on. So this the first block of the code, it's turning on sequence. And the second block of the code is turning off sequence. So let us see what is the final effect of our code. What a nice effect. I hope you got the idea how to make a LED chasing. I will share this piece of code with you and see how we can share code from Wiki. First of all, you need to save your code give it a name, LED chasing. With the free version, you can only make your code as public and save it. You cannot make it private. Now let's share this code. You only need this link to access this code. I will add this code to the description so that you can take a quick look at the code and the circuit. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.